Now let's discuss how do we use this and that in Dutch. In Dutch, it's a little difficult to use this and that. We can use two versions, either dit, dat, or deze die. So, how do we know which versions are to use? So, as we have already discussed that there are two types of words in Dutch, the het, woorden, and the wordens or the word. For example, if it's a het word, het house, then we can use dit house if it's near this house, or dat house. But if the word is with da jongen, then we use deze jongen if he is near to us, or die jongen for that jongen, for that boy. And deze and die are also used for meetvoud woordens. So if we have got huizen, not house but huizen, then we use deze huizen of dat huizen. And I would like to also tell you that we cannot use the deze and die words for the words. So deze and die words are only used for naamwoorden. Deze and die are only used for an naamwoord. So you need to memorize, or by practice you will be able to understand which words start with het and which words start with da. Because if the word starts with het, then you have to use dit and that. And if the word starts with da, or it's a plural form, then we use deze and